Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Cowboy baked beans in a Ninja Foodi Smart Lid. Alright, I'm starting out in my Ninja Foodi. I have it set on saute high and it's hot. And I have a pound of bacon here I cut into small pieces. I'm going to get this in here and fry it up till it's nice and brown. Okay, now that my bacon's brown, I have it set aside and I drained off the excess grease. I have one onion and one green bell pepper here I diced up. I'm going to get that in the pot. Give that a quick stir. And I have a pound of ground beef. I'm going to get this in here and brown it up and break it up. And then we'll drain the grease off after this is done browning and the vegetables are translucent and tender. So I'm going to go ahead and get my ground beef in here and start this browning. Alright, now that my ground beef and my onions and peppers are all browned up and softened up, I have 2 cans of baked beans here. These are 1 pound 12 ounces or 28 ounces. And you want to get the original. You don't want to get ones that are maple and brown sugar seasoned or anything like that. You want original baked beans because you're going to season these yourself. And I'll show you how the can looks. Campbell's also makes just regular baked beans. You want to get these in here. Alright, now I'm going to add in a half teaspoon of onion powder, and I'm just eyeballing this. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of mustard. Now this calls for Dijon mustard, but I don't have any, so I'm just using regular mustard. 2 tablespoons. Alright, we're looking good. 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and I'm just eyeballing this. That looks about good. And a 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce. You can use any type of barbecue sauce you like. I'm just using Walmart's original barbecue sauce. Now I'm going to give this a stir quick. Get everything mixed together. Alright, I'm going to add my bacon back in before I eat it all. Give that a stir to mix that in. You see how nice and crispy that bacon got. Close my lid down. Alright, now I'm going to slide my selector over to air fry. And I'm going to put this down on bake and roast. And I'm going to leave my temperature at 375. And I'm going to set this here for, we're going to do 30 minutes. And I'll go in here and stir it periodically. And I'll check to see if it's cooking faster than it should. If it is, we'll stop it early. But I'll go in there like every 10 minutes and give it a stir. Alright guys, my baked beans are done. They actually only took about 25 minutes. I went in and stirred them periodically. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made some cube steak covered in gravy to go with this. Let me get here and try these baked beans. Get a piece of bacon in that bite. Really good. Let me get another bite because I got all bacon in that. You get the brown sugar, you get the seasoning, the bacon. Those are really delicious, guys, and they weren't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Cowboy baked beans in a Ninja Foodi with Smart Lid. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.